After a long day, Emma finally sat down to relax. Suddenly, she realized her home felt warmer than outside. Her air conditioner had given up again. Last summer's quick fix didn't last, and she knew this time she needed really professionals. A quick search for air conditioner maintenance in Millersville led her to Rocky HVAC LLC. It's a name locals trust for honest service and lasting solutions. Their technicians arrived on time, cleaned every coil, checked every part, and explained everything clearly. Now her home stays cool, her energy bills are lower, and she finally rests easy, knowing they have her back season after season. Like her, to get such services, call 410-446-2401 or check out rockyhvac.com.